Just start by downloading a powder of juice, the juice in the glass, and the splash. And then remove the background with the Magic Wand tool or quick selection. And then save them as PNG. The recording didn't catch the part where I was downloading and removing the background. Anyways, head over to After Effects and click on New Composition. I chose the size 1080 x 1080, but later I changed it to 1500 x 1500 since it was too small. And the frame rate is 30 and duration is 11 seconds. Let's import our images, or should I say products. After you're done importing the products, right-click on the bottom side of the comp and click on New Solid. This is for the background. I chose the color orange. Save the project so you don't miss any changes. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Gradient Ramp. Then drag the effect into the background layer. Change the linear ramp to radial ramp. Now, let's change the colors. For the circle of the gradient, I changed the color to light orange, but it's more likely yellow. As I said earlier that I changed the composition size later, well, not only that, but I also changed the orange part of the gradient to dark orange. Let's now drag our products to the composition. Position your products. After positioning them, select all the products and pre-compose them. Name the layer, and after that make sure you have selected Move All Attributes into New Comp. Feel free to scale your product. Go to the products comp to animate them. I used position to animate the glass of juice and the tang box. And I anchored the juice splash and scaled it. Here is it. I moved the juice splash keyframes a little forward. Let's just say it will rise after the glass and box. Don't forget to ease your keyframes. And also the graphs to make it a lot more smoother. Now that the animation is done, add your text. So here is the part where I change these. And yes, I also edited the text and animated it by scaling. Also, don't forget to easy is your keyframes and editing the graphs to make it smoother. Anyways, here is the result. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, and I hope this tutorial helped you. Bye.